Welcome back to Kimber's Essential Oils. I'm Kimber, and today we're going to be making some homemade laundry soap. Some pros to making your own soap is that it's going to decrease your toxic load and your carbon footprint. It's going to save you a ton of money. It's better for your skin, family, and your pets. There's going to be no synthetics or chemicals going into our waterways, which is harmful to our aquatic life. No perfumes, phenols, artificial dyes, or formaldehydes, and no buildup or clogs in your septic system. Some might say that it's kind of inconvenient to make your own soap, but I say going to the store, buying detergent, and driving all the way back home is more inconvenient than just taking 30 minutes to make it myself. Also, we're not going to be using borax today. Borax is a highly controversial ingredient, so make sure that you do your research for your family. We're making a soap, not a detergent. So detergents have natural and synthetic ingredients, including surfactants, which decrease the surface area between two liquids so that it can dissolve a little bit better. Side note, if you have hard water, which means you probably have increased amounts of calcium and magnesium, you're going to want to add a rinse cycle, maybe increase that water temperature, and add some vinegar. That's going to make your laundry soap a lot more effective. If you like using cold water, like I do, go ahead and stick with a liquid laundry soap instead of a powdered version. We're going to be making a liquid version tonight. Alrighty, so let's get started. In this container, we have about a gallon of warm water. We're going to start by adding our super washing soda. And that is 1/4 cup. We're going to add 1/4 cup of baking soda, 3/8 cup of Castle soap, and 15 drops of essential oils of your choice. I am going to do Serenity and On Guard. I am choosing On Guard and Serenity because during this season there are a lot of icky bugs that pop up, and On Guard is going to help protect our family. Serenity is going to be a nice restful blend, and it is going to help us just wind down, so our sheets are going to be nice and relaxing for us. We also like the combined smell. It has cinnamon and lavender. We're going to go ahead and give this a good mix and make sure that all of those ingredients combine really well. And then I usually do about 1/2 cup. And there you go. There is your laundry soap. Thanks for tuning in.